Hello, in this video I'm going to repair this television. The customer just brought in the TV. This is CRT TV, 21 inch, Samsung brand. I plug in the power to try. Now you can see the indicator light is still bright, but the screen of this television is not bright. The screen is not bright. You have to open the back cover to test. Now, let's start. I plug in the power to try. We have to measure the voltage at the screen grid of the CRT board. Usually, the voltage here is about 300 volts. Usually, the voltage here is about 300 volts. We put the selector of the multimeter at the 1000 volts DC. We put the selector of the multimeter at the 1000 volts DC. Now, the voltage at the screen grid of the CRT board is about 200 volts. Now, the voltage at the screen grid of the CRT board is about 200 volts. For the Samsung TV, when the CRT of the television is too old, the electron inside the CRT is conduct electricity poorly. The microprocessor will order the light to turn off. Now you should pay attention to this issue. I will adjust the voltage of the screen grid for use temporarily. I will adjust the voltage of the screen grid for use temporarily. You can adjust the voltage of the screen grid for use temporarily. Now you should pay attention. This method is only used temporarily. Now you should pay attention. This method is only used temporarily. Now there is good light and picture. Now there is good light and picture.